And the phone number was Lauren's mom, Kendra.
Ain't no fucking way. That Quasimodo looking fucker? Oh my god. Oh my god.
I really didn't know what to say.
Yeah, I don't fucking either.
Right, I just got back.
I don't ever want to hear that I'm a bad mother ever fucking again.
He's like, there's a possibility it could be her. And I said, no.
No.
She's helping me. She's Lauren's mom.
Because she's a sadistic fuck, okay? 20 months of this
I had a
bullshit.
meeting with Sheriff Maine.
Huh.
I presented to him.
You know what?
This
No, I got to shut this shit off. This got my blood pressure up. No, I can't. Because who in the hell to the boy... I'm going to be fucking sick. Oh my god.